long left. Dia terus long left. Dia terus long left. Right, dia terus long left.
Yang tiap orang ini cuma esok samdo kan ini joy kan ini dah ini tumbang anak itu mah adi mahan kita isi itu kartu kan itu lah ada dari itu kalau lu dia kan nanti main itu tentang mana masih kita isi memang kelakar sa John Singh Tigathar anak lagi Aphlc Central Committee of President itu anak lagi kami di Kota Tuhan karbi poho isi pen kartu punji bangsa ini di pono. Rui tulesa sarban poho ipak pen kartu punji bangsa Kota Tuhan. Pardon. Tapi nak menuju palu hilang nanti dulu. Kata ini malu hilang. Akhir hayat treasurer itu central committee kami pasti poho isi kartu ini dan kemudian diuri itu anak di Aphlc di QLA itu anak pasti poho ipak kartu ini Kapten Mutla, ini tu malam ini, kalau nanti data ini tu malam ini tahu, alam ini project alam ini dibuat long organizing secretary, alam ini kami buat kami buat apa kartu dari mana sendiri kalau di tempat sendiri. Lapin kemudian non jadi donasi tongdul lembaga constituency committee Aphlc atau secretary terkait timung sahu anak masuk kami buat pakai kartu ini pun. Lapin non agak dulu sar Rajesh Su anak vice president Aphlc central committee. Si betul bagi ini tu tak jumpa lagi pada berita lo apa lasi nol bagi ini tu marketing tu macam muat kan ini tu lo itu dah tu lasu lo kepening kapan lo lasi nol bagi ini tu lo bagi cuci tu dah kalau itu apa wang pen
Kamera tunggu dorong masih lah. Kamera.
Ready? Chalo.
Media.
ini tu lu pinunji kemana kita kau kau ini tu lu dah tik lo tangan mana dia lo. Sita alu lo kita kupide ini tu sini lah. Bukan ini hantu lo. Dah angkut alam kita hantar kami dah dapat non nilihin pensi. Pori pun. Si dah nilih itu apa pakai? To Mr. John Singh Tikatha, Lok Sabha election candidate, Aphlc 3rd SD constituency. You see, Chenglo from Inglongara Jingrumasong, IACA, dated 12/3/2024. Demands to work for people of Karbi Anglong and ex-militant cadres. Dear John Singh Tikatha, congratulations on your candidacy for the Lok Sabha election representing the Aphlc from the 3rd SD constituency. As you embark on this journey, we, the undersigned, wish to highlight several crucial demands that we believe are imperative for the welfare and development of our constituency. Commitment to the people. We demand your unwavering commitment to prioritize the needs and concerns of the people of the 3D2SD constituency. Your role as our elected representative should be driven by the goal of serving the community and addressing their pressing issues. Second, support for ex-militant cadres. The reintegration and rehabilitation of ex-militant cadres are critical for the peace and stability of our region. We urge you to work towards creating sustainable livelihood opportunities, providing access to education and healthcare, and fostering social inclusion for these individuals. Number 3 about infrastructure development. Our constituency lacks basic infrastructure in several areas, including roads, electricity, and healthcare facilities. It is imperative that you advocate for the allocation of funds and resources to address these infrastructure gaps and improve the quality of life for our residents. Number 5 about unemployed generation. Unemployed remains a significant challenge in our constituency, particularly among the youth. We call upon you on prioritize initiative aims at promoting skill development, encouraging entrepreneurship, and attracting investment to create job opportunities locally. Number 6 about transparency and accountability. We expect transparency and accountability in your action and decision as our elected representative, regular communication with constituents, public disclosure of your activities, and adherence to ethical standards are essential for fostering trust and confidence among the electorate. Clause after winning the election. Number 7, upon your successful election as our representative in the Lok Sabha, we accept you to firmly commit to fulfilling the demands outlined in this memorandum. We accepted your active engagement and advocacy on behalf of the people of Karbi Anglong and ex-militant cadres of the 3rd SD constituency. We trust that you will give due consideration to these demands and incorporate them into your election manifesto and subsequent action if elected. The welfare and the progress of the constituency depend on your sincere efforts and dedication to serving the best interests of the people. Thank you for your attention in this matter, and we look forward to witnessing positive outcomes under your leadership. Thank you, sir. Nilito, pen lo kita ke apa halo, jadi kalau kita kata yang pen dulu nanti, nak pansi hijau, ada.